How to draw Oscar the Grouch, step by step. Hey, what's going on everybody? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing a small squiggle line going from left to right. From this line, we're going to draw both of the eyes of Oscar. Now on the bottom of this line, let's go ahead and draw two small circles that are both the same size.
Oh, of course, my child. What's troubling you?
Well, what's troubling you? You know, at school, the kids used to all make fun of me sometimes. One kid would say something mean, and then the other kids would laugh.
Nicely done. Now on the inside of each circle that we just drew, let's draw a second, smaller circle and fill it in completely black.
Well, we can't all walk away. The priesthood is all I know. I dedicated my entire life to it. I don't know anything else.
I know it seems impossible. I thought I'd be a punching bag my whole life, but now I'm one of the popular kids. I even get invited to board game night at Stan's house. My point is, sometimes you just gotta put yourself out there.
Hey, morning, Mackie. Well, happy Sunday. Morning, Ted, Hazel. Morning. Doing better, huh, Josie?
A lot better, thank you.
All right.
Fantastic! Once we're all done drawing the eyes, the next step will be to draw the one big eyebrow that is attached right above the eyes. The eyebrow connects all the way over from the left hand side to the right, so Oscar the Grouch has a unibrow.
There's no church today. You all are just gonna have to find something better to do.
Hey, open the door. Hey, come on.
If you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below.
With you and with your spirit, okay? My name is Counselor Mackie, and we seem to be having a little problem with our local church here in South Park. Our priest has gone missing.
Oh, not another one. All right, listen to me carefully. Your local priest has not done anything wrong. Probably just taking some time off. Why is that suspicious?
Well, it's not suspicious. We just kind of don't know what to do, you know?
We'll take care of it. There's no need to involve the authorities. Just sit tight. Send in a cleanup crew. Now. We've got another one. A priest in South Park has gone rogue and is probably out doing his thing. I need you guys to get up there and clean up his mess.
Don't worry, Your Holiness. By the time we're done with that town, there won't be a lick of cum anywhere.
So as of right now, we have both eyes drawn along with the big eyebrow attached right above. For this next step, we're going to go right below the eyes that we just drew together and we're going to draw the mouth. The mouth that we draw will be open. For the first step of drawing the mouth, we're going to draw a jagged line going from left to right.
Oh, hello, my son.
What are you doing?
What are we doing about what?
I mean, it looks like you're scrubbing and bleaching our table and chairs.
That's not what's going on. Your local priest was never here.
Now to draw the open mouth, we're going to draw a curved line on the bottom side of this line going from the left hand side to the right.
What's a cumby?
We're just here to cleanse your spirit, my child.
Praise be to Christ.
Now on the inside, to draw the tongue, we're going to draw a small shape that almost looks similar to a heart.
Hello, Mr. Marsh.
Father! Hey, Sharon, it's Father!
Mr. Marsh,
He's back!
please.
His father's back!
I'm just going
So as of right now, we're all done drawing the details of the face, so around the face, we're going to enclose everything that we just made. And this will be the final step. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up.
I have to keep looking. I said some terrible things.
Please, Father, we're all lost and the cleanup crew hasn't helped at all.
What cleanup crew? He's not showing up. Try the priest call.
I love Jesus! I love Jesus!
I don't think he's coming.
Well, he's coming all right, just not here. Let's start packing up. You, get on the Cumboni and eradicate this place along with everything in it.
Yes, Your Holiness.
Wait!
And we'll want to make sure that both sides of the face are pretty similar in width and size.
The church can't have someone like me going around
And at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors.
Thank you for cleaning up all my cum. I can just go? I can start over in the Maldives? No one will make fun of you there. They can't even speak English. And don't worry, there'll be plenty of...
This is How to Draw Oscar the Grouch. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. Don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. And if you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.